The leg press exercise, feet low in position. The main muscle used will be your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings. To begin, place your feet low on the platform, with your heels almost hanging off the bottom. Your feet should be shoulder width apart or slightly outside shoulder width apart, and your toes should be slightly flared out in this stance. As you perform the reps, go as deep as possible while keeping your feet flat on the platform. Avoid having short range of motion. Avoid placing your hands on your knees and not the handlebars.